Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying out these. Now Dennis has very kindly sent these to me. You can find him over on Facebook, Resin Supplies Den. It's a Facebook page. You can find literally anything you want on that page. It's got different sellers and sections. Never seen anything quite like it. But look at these, they are so me as well. I don't know how he knows, but he knows. Now I'm thinking chrome powders, maybe some of these powders here for sand, maybe mica powder, blue mica powder for sea. I haven't quite decided. Can you tell? So I'm gonna just give the moulds a quick going over with tape because I've had them sitting out on the side, and while I'm doing that I'll have a think about what I'm going to do. So I probably won't come back and talk you through what I'm going to do. I will just film it and probably put some music over, and then once I've got the moulds ready I will mix up the resin, debubble it, and then we shall pour and see what we come up with. So I hope you enjoy the video. I may pop back in, I may not. It's always going to be a surprise, right? This one, the green bottle, there and there. Got fans on, a bit worried. Point me that way. Everything will be fine. And this is Voice Over Me. So what I decided to do in the end was just use the Let's Resin chrome powders. I did both bottles in the mould, in each mould, with the green, and then I used, I think it was the red, both of the blues, the holographic pink, and I just filled it in. And I will put some music on for you now, but I just wanted to give you a heads up that I do have a little bit of a disaster when I go to use the gold chrome powder.
Swirling colors in the light they play, dreams and resin shaping every day. Like a canvas glowing bright and clear, pour it out, the magic starts right here. Every light a sparkle, every comment a flame, fuel my heart and keep me in the game. Patience grows while the resin sets, a joyful art with no regrets. Like, comment and subscribe, every drop of color feels brand new. Learning as I go, sharing what I've found in this resin world where wonders abound. Mixing shades like stories untold, endless ways for treasures to unfold. With steady hands and a hopeful heart, every pour's a masterpiece, a brand new spark.
We are coming up to where I had a slight issue, well, a disaster. I got sent a link from Andy at CC UK Resin for an impromptu live on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. So I'm chatting away. I decide to lean on the desk, and of course my tripod is just behind those chrome powders there, with my other phone in that I used to record, and look, chrome powder everywhere.
With steady hands and a hopeful heart, every pour's a masterpiece, a brand new spark. Mixing shades like stories untold. brush of light, a drop of hue. Dreams take shape in something new. Swirling skies and oceans deep. In every pore, a secret we keep. Break the mold, let the colors run free. Every piece is a part of me. Shimmer and shine in every line, crafted slow by heart and time. Like, comment, and subscribe to join me on this ride, creating magic one pour at a time. Whispers of blue, golden trails, tales of wonder and quiet details. No two the same, each one a spark of fearless hands and a hopeful heart. Let the resin flow where it may, guided by hands and light of day. Imperfection, beauty side by side. In art we never have to hide. Break the mold, let the colors run free. Every piece is a part of me. Shimmer and shine in every line, crafted slow by heart and time. Like, comment, and subscribe, be part of this design. Together we'll create one pour at a time. Resin in the mixer looking fine. Crystals shining bright just like a sign. Experimenting new things on the fly. My YouTube debuts, reaching for the sky. Got the camera rolling, lights in place. Steady hands but hearts gon' race.
It's the mold time. My hands are looking slightly better. The dryness is clearing up a little bit now, so I'm not going to wear gloves. This here needs a little bit more in it, so I'm not going to demold this today. So get that off. I will wait till I do another resin pour and then top that up. I am downstairs on my other leveling table for this. It's a bit brighter down here. Just to recap, I used the Let's Resin Chrome powders, the fantastic handmade molds by Dennis over at Resin Supplies Den on Facebook, and Hemway glitter, mould resin, and black pigment from Make It Amazing. Which one should we start with? Let's start with this one. Demold's lovely and easy. Oh, look at that. That's pretty awesome. And yes, there is a couple of bubbles, all fixable. The thing is, I couldn't go round the edges with a silicone tool because I put the powder down. I'm very happy with that. I do like it. And this one, as you could probably tell, I did have a bit of overpour on this. It's very thin, easily come off. Another easy one to demold. Ooh, also pretty. I like it. What do you think? I'll bring them both up. Thank you, Dennis, so much for sending these to me. I really love them. I'd like to hear what you all think too, please. Let me know down in the comments as always. And thank you ever so much for being here with me. And please do like, comment, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. It will really help my channel, and I would appreciate it very muchly. And I will see you for the next one. Bye bye.
Resin in the mixer looking fine. Crystals shining bright just like a sign. Experimenting new things on the fly. My YouTube debut's reaching for the sky. Got the camera rolling, lights